dinner doesn't have to be boring, and skirt steak doesn't have to suck. I'm Tom, this is Dudes Gourmet, and today we're making Korean style skirt steak with baby bok choy. And then we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. The first thing you want to do is cut your skirt steak into pieces that you can manage. My pan is only 10 inches wide, so I got two 10-inch pieces of skirt steak. We're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag just like this. Get rid of our plate. Shoots, he scores! We're gonna throw a little bit of teriyaki sauce in this bag. A very little bit, like maybe 1 tablespoon. That's it. And that's just so our seasoning can stick. Then we're gonna take our Dudes Korean seasoning. Shake some of that inside there like that. And we're just gonna mix it around. After it's mixed around, we're gonna let it sit, and we're gonna work on our bok choy. Let that rest right here for right now. Take our baby bok choy. We're gonna cut these guys in half, like that. Leave the ends on, so it's easier to manage when we get them on the grill. Love this knife, forgetotable.com, great knives. So the bok choy is gonna be super easy, guys. You want the insides facing up so it's a little easier. You just wanna lightly go over here with some sesame oil, a couple drops on each one. Crank this bad boy up. Then we're gonna do a little bit of our Nouveau garlic olive oil, a couple drops as well. And we're gonna take some of our Tasman Smoked Sea Salt. Everybody knows I love this Tasman Sea Salt. It's available on my website. All right, this looks like it's ready to go over here. Yep. Gonna put them on alternating sides. All right, guys, let's check these bok choys out. Nice. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon on it. Then I'm gonna take the other half. I'm gonna throw it right over here in the corner. I'm gonna make a nice garnish. Flip these over one more time. That's what we want right there. That's what we like. That right there. That bok choy's good, but our Dude's Everything Bagel seasoning is gonna knock it out of the park. Just a little bit. Goes a long way with this stuff. Let's give it a little bit of some sriracha. Now let's get our skirt steak in this pan. Skirt steak's quick, guys. 2 minutes each side, that's it. Let's check our meat, guys. Oh yeah. I wish you were in this kitchen right now to smell what is going on. This smells so good. I can't wait for you guys to make this in your kitchen at home. Let's see what's going on down here, guys. Yes. All right, you guys ready? Woo. All right, guys. That's how a Dude does Korean style skirt steak with baby bok choy. Now the pictures are over, I'm gonna get into this. That is good. Bok choy's fantastic. Guys, dinners don't need to be boring anymore. This is fantastic. You know how easy it was? Super easy. I don't know about you, but I really like skirt steak. I really like Korean barbecue skirt steak. I can eat this every night of the week. My doctor would hate me, but I can eat it. Yes.